love this.
Unwrap.
Unwrap it, woman. Where is the unwrapper thing? Just rip it open. Penguins! Yeah! You've uncovered the penguins.
You opened it upside down.
I had 2 pies. That's it. No box. I only have 2 pies. What is this? Country 2? It's not a bag. Century 21, Jill. It's not a bag. I get the box. It's not a bag. The bag won't open. It's not a bag. It's not a bag. You really want
The real present is the unwrapping of it.
No, the real present is the box. Nothing else. That's straight.
Yes.
Where did you get all of these bags?
I don't know. I found them all like shoved in my closet.
Nordstrom. Along with Mel Gibson. You put it a lot of places.
Yes.
Nordstrom.
There are 2 Nordstrom bags.
Abusing people's life. Megan, take your shoes off the couch. Okay. I use these bags for my gym clothes. More bags. Just pop them off, bro. This is fun.
I told you 20 bags. I meant 20 bags.
Can I keep the Lego brick?
Yes.
Yay. What? I remember these were Brandon bags.
Yes.
Brandon bags. Come on, what is it? What the fuck? I just threw that garbage bag. Actually, I throw it on. Which one is it in? Yes! What is
Hooray.
it? It's a Lego brick. This is my present.